Nice. Crush.
I wouldn't have moved it.
Yeah, me too. Go.
Just in the same place?
Yeah.
I'm breathing so hard.
It's 180 so far. Is it buckling anywhere? Can anyone see it buckling? $270.
Oh my god, that's a smart.
Whoa.
Whoa.
You gotta fix that.
Go.
Oh my gosh.
You got it first. More to up. Forward.
Forward?
Yeah.
There's 7 of them on there, I think, if we count right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 360 with this one.
Go. Chill. Just like that. No, to your left.
Whoa.
Up. Forward. Sheila, hurry up.
Here, where do you want it? Where do you want it?
405.
I don't know, I should tell her.
Tell, where do you want it?
Yeah.
Go
Oh,
get
roll
it.
it back.
Hurry.
Hey, don't hold the weights. That's that.
450, okay?
Go. Hurry up. Go get it. Wait, Benji,
450.
go. Come on.
You can hold
You
it.
can't hold it. You gotta take your hands off.
I know. I had to place it down.
Oh.
No.
No, go help me.
Where's another weight?
You gotta go over
Go
there.
get one.
Is it right there?
A little bit to the right.
No, to the right. My right or your right?
All right. Okay. Quick.
Move. Run.
Where's the
Okay.
right? Where are the
Okay.
other ways?
That's the slide, dude.
Rusty.
How much was that? The last one doesn't count.
540.
540.